Good AM, PM, or whatever time you could see this video. Today, I'm going to talk about Module 5, Quarter 3 of our subject. And my topic is all about hydrogen bonding and London dispersion. I'm going to start out with London dispersion. London dispersion. So how does it work? Remember that electrons, whenever in a single atom or a molecule, do not stay on a fixed location. The electrons are constantly revolving around the nucleus, and at a given time the electrons may be unevenly distributed, causing an instantaneous dipole which influence the neighboring atoms or molecules. Why they occur? There are some reasons. Electrons are always moving. At any moment, more electrons may be on one side of an atom or a molecule than the other. This creates temporary dipole, one side slightly negative, the other slightly positive. This temporary dipole can induce a dipole in nearby molecule. The two temporary dipole attract each other. Key points about this depression force: they occur in all molecules, even non-popular ones like O2, N2, CH4. They are weakened type of intermolecular force. They get stronger when molecules are large, more electrons. Molecules are longer or have higher surface area. Atoms more polarized, electrons clouds. Effects more easily explain bonding point strength. Now I'm gonna move with hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding, by the name itself, type of intermolecular force involves the hydrogen element bonded to an atom with high electronegativity such as oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. That the hydrogen is a special type of dipole intermolecular force and must contain an element hydrogen. When comparing the strength of hydrogen bond to the dipole of a force of a hydrogen bonding is much stronger compound to the dipole. Example of the hydrogen bonding includes the interacting molecules of a water. Notice that the oxygen of the water molecules has partial negative charge, since the high electronegativity has its attracted partial negative charge. Hydrogen of the another water molecule denoted by broken lines. Why it occurs? When hydrogen bonded to nitrogen, oxygen, or N, O, or F, these atoms pulls electrons strongly toward themselves. Magdikit na sila. Hydrogen become positive because it has no inner electrons to shield it. This positive hydrogen is strongly attracted to a lone pair on a nearby N, O, or F atom, nitrogen, oxygen, o saan niya? Kasi itong F. Fluorine. This makes hydrogen bonds much stronger than normal dipole force. Key points about hydrogen bonds: only occurs when H is bonded to N, O, or F. Much stronger than the dispersion force. Mas kusog na siya sa dispersion force. Highly decorational molecules tend to alight straight line. Effects gives water as usual properties, highly boiling point, surface tension, ice floats. Holds the two standards of DNA together, AT at GC pairings, stabilizing protein structure such as helices sheets. That's not a curse word. It's all on increase boiling points, alcohols, and acids. And that's all. That's my topic for this video. Shout out to you.